Welcome to the channel. Today we're reviewing the 5 best half-inch corded drills, 2026, chosen for their durability, precision, and versatility. Corded drills remain essential for contractors, builders, and DIY enthusiasts who need consistent power without worrying about battery life. These models feature variable speed controls, hammer functions, and ergonomic designs to ensure efficient drilling across wood, concrete, and metal. With trusted names like Galax Pro, Nonway, and other professional-grade options, this lineup covers everything from home projects to heavy-duty construction. Let's explore the top 5 corded drills that combine strength, reliability, and industrial performance. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Galax Pro Corded Drill. The Galax Pro Corded Drill is a versatile option featuring a 5-amp motor and a 1/2-inch hammer drill design. Delivering variable speeds up to 3,000 revolutions per minute, it's ideal for drilling into wood, concrete, and metal. Compact yet powerful, it balances affordability with performance, offering 2 functions in one: hammer and drill. The package includes 105 accessories, a 360 degrees rotating handle, depth gauge, and carrying case, making it ready for immediate use. Ergonomic design ensures comfort, while durable construction guarantees long service life. Galax Pro delivers a strong option for homeowners and contractors seeking a reliable corded drill that combines versatility, durability, and consistent performance for everyday projects. Number 2. XP4 Corded Hammer Drill. The corded hammer drill features a 5.8-amp motor and a 1/2-inch variable speed design, making it suitable for wood, concrete, and plastic. Compact yet robust, it balances affordability with performance, offering multi-angle auxiliary handles for improved control. With speeds up to 3,000 revolutions per minute, it ensures efficient drilling across different materials. Ergonomic design enhances comfort, while durable construction guarantees reliability. This drill is ideal for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts tackling everyday projects. Although it does not include drill bits, its professional design ensures compatibility with standard accessories. The corded hammer drill delivers consistent performance for users seeking a dependable tool for versatile applications. Number 3. Nonway Hammer Drill. The Nonway Hammer Drill is a professional option designed for heavy-duty applications. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers 1,100 nlbs of torque and 26,000 bpm for efficient drilling into concrete, brick, metal, and wood. Compact yet powerful, it balances durability with precision, offering a 1/2-inch keyless metal chuck and 20+1+1 clutch settings for versatility. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it provides flexibility for users who already own compatible tools. Ergonomic design ensures comfort, while advanced engineering guarantees long service life. Nonway delivers a strong option for contractors and professionals seeking a reliable hammer drill that combines extreme torque, compatibility, and consistent performance for demanding construction projects. Number 4. Inequalite Corded Hammer Drill. The corded hammer drill is a practical option featuring a 4.5-amp motor and a 1/2-inch chuck. Delivering speeds up to 3,000 revolutions per minute, it's suitable for wood, concrete, and metal. Compact yet versatile, it balances affordability with performance, offering adjustable speed control and a 360 degrees swivel handle for improved usability. The package includes a 105-piece accessory set, depth gauge, and carrying case, making it ready for immediate use. Ergonomic design enhances comfort, while durable construction ensures reliability. This drill is ideal for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts seeking a dependable corded drill that combines versatility, convenience, and consistent performance for everyday projects. Number 5. Skill Corded Hammer Drill. Power through tough jobs with Skill HD 182002, a heavy-duty corded hammer drill built for versatility and precision. Equipped with a robust 7.5-amp motor, it delivers up to 3,000 revolutions per minute and 48,000 bpm, making it ideal for drilling into wood, metal, and masonry. The 1/2-inch keyed chuck secures larger bits, while the variable speed trigger and lock-on button provide control for extended use. Designed with comfort in mind, the soft grip handle, side assist handle, and depth gauge ensure accuracy and reduced fatigue. The kit includes a 100-piece drill and screw driving set, covering wood, metal, plastic, and masonry applications, all neatly organized in a durable case. Whether for home projects or professional tasks, HD 182002. That wraps up our list of the 5 best half and inch corded drills, 2026. From Galax Pro's versatile kit to Nonway's professional hammer drill, each option offers unique strengths for contractors, builders, and DIY enthusiasts. Corded drills remain a reliable choice for consistent power, making them perfect for heavy-duty construction and home projects alike. The included accessory kits provide convenience, while brushless motors and ergonomic designs enhance durability and comfort. Whether you prioritize versatility, affordability, or industrial strength, this lineup ensures reliable drilling performance across wood, concrete, and metal. Each model is designed to enhance productivity while maintaining precision, making them perfect for construction and renovation tasks. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and keep your projects powered with the right half-an-inch corded drill.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.